Have you ever wondered how many scientific facts we believe are actually misconceptions? We all have these little nuggets of knowledge, tidbits we've picked up along the way, accepted as truth, and tucked away in our mental filing cabinets. But what if some of these facts are not as factual as we think? Science, the systematic enterprise of gathering knowledge about the universe and organizing it into testable laws and theories, is a journey of discovery. The road to understanding our world is paved with assumptions, theories, and hypotheses, and sometimes we get it wrong. Here's where it gets interesting, though. The beauty of science lies in its self-correcting nature. It's a tapestry woven with threads of inquiry, observation, and experimentation, and it's always evolving, always improving. We're all aware of the dangers of misinformation, especially in an era where information is as accessible as it is abundant. Misconceptions can spread like wildfire, muddying the waters of understanding and hindering progress. That's why it's crucial to promote science literacy, to equip ourselves with the tools to separate fact from fiction, and to approach our world with a critical eye. And in the spirit of science and discovery, we're about to embark on an exciting journey, a deep dive into the realm of strange scientific facts. We'll debunk some common misconceptions, and in the process, we might just challenge what you think you know about the world around us. So, buckle up, keep an open mind, and prepare to question everything, because the universe is far stranger and more fascinating than we often give it credit for. We'll explore the animal kingdom's surprises, delve into prehistoric wonders and space mysteries, unravel the truth about human potential, and uncover some penguin peculiarities. Get ready to have your mind blown as we uncover some strange scientific facts. Did you know that rabbits have a dual digestive system? Yes, they consume their food twice. It might sound a bit gross, but this process, known as coprophagy, allows them to extract all the essential nutrients from their food. They first eat the food, then pass it as a special kind of feces, which they eat again. This second pass allows them to extract even more nutrients, particularly those produced by bacteria during the first digestion. Now let's dive into the underwater world. Fish, despite lacking a traditional nose, have an incredible sense of smell. They use special openings on their bodies called nares to detect food in the water. These nostril-like features allow them to sniff out their next meal, even in murky waters, onto the world beneath our feet. Did you know that some worms can sleep for incredibly long periods without dying? This state of permanent sleep can last for decades. It's a survival strategy that allows them to wait out harsh conditions until the surroundings become more favorable. And while we're talking about small creatures, let's not forget the mighty ants. Despite their tiny size, ants exhibit remarkable teamwork abilities. They coordinate and cooperate in collective tasks, such as building nests, collecting food, and defending their colonies, all this without a single word. Now let's buzz over to the world of bees. These industrious insects communicate using a complex language of dances. Known as waggle dances, these movements indicate the locations of flowers and the quantity of food available. It's like their version of GPS. And finally, we move to the majestic elephants. Known for their long-term memories, elephants can recall locations and individuals for many years. It's believed that they have the ability to remember events for decades, making their social bonds incredibly strong. Isn't the animal kingdom full of surprises? But wait, there's more. Dinosaurs lived on Earth for longer than humans. Can you believe that? Indeed, these ancient and majestic creatures roamed our planet for hundreds of millions of years, a period that dwarfs the few million years that humans have been around. These prehistoric titans, in their myriad shapes and sizes, were the uncontested rulers of the land, sea, and sky. Their reign is a testament to the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. The dinosaurs' longevity prompts us to reconsider our understanding of time. In the grand scheme of things, humanity is but a blip on the timeline of life on Earth. Our existence is ephemeral compared to the enduring legacy of the dinosaurs. This humbling fact challenges our anthropocentric worldview and invites us to reflect on our place in the natural world. But let's not stop at the boundaries of our planet. Let's venture into the vast expanse of the cosmos. Space, the final frontier, holds its own set of astounding scientific facts. Did you know that space has a distinct smell? Yes, you heard it right. Astronauts returning to their spacecraft after a spacewalk have reported a unique odor. This scent, a blend of various cosmic odors, is often described as a mix of gunpowder, seared steak, raspberries, and rum. The distinctive smell of space is a result of the interaction between high-energy cosmic rays and the human olfactory system. These cosmic rays, which are abundant in space, bombard the astronaut's spacesuit and produce a variety of odors. This fascinating fact challenges our preconceived notions about space and reveals the intriguing complexities of the universe. From the ancient Earth to the far reaches of space, science never ceases to amaze us. The marvels of the prehistoric world and the mysteries of the cosmos remind us of the wonders that await our discovery. They inspire us to keep exploring, to keep questioning, and to keep expanding our understanding of the universe, because after all, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey, not a destination. It's time to debunk a popular myth. Humans only use 10% of their brain's capacity. This is a catchy phrase that's been circulating in popular culture for quite some time now. But in reality, it's far from the truth. Every part of our brain has a purpose, and we use virtually every bit of it. Let's dive a bit deeper. The brain is an intricate network of approximately 100 billion neurons. These neurons interact to control our thoughts, emotions, memory, and physical functions. A brain scan would reveal that over a single day, nearly all parts of our brain light up with activity. In fact, even when we sleep, our brain remains active, processing information and consolidating memories. The 10% myth may have originated from a misunderstanding of neurological research or perhaps a misquote of Albert Einstein. However, it's been perpetuated by media and cinema, reinforcing the idea that we have vast reserves of untapped mental powers. But the truth is, our brains are already working at maximum capacity. What does this mean for our understanding of human potential? It implies that we can't simply unlock an unused portion of our brain to suddenly gain superhuman abilities, like telekinesis or telepathy as depicted in some science fiction films. Instead, the real potential lies in how we can better utilize the brain we're already using. This could mean improving our cognitive skills through mental exercises or learning new ways to manage stress and enhance focus. There's a vast body of research exploring how various practices, such as mindfulness and meditation, can help us harness the full potential of our brain. In essence, the fascinating world of neuroscience reveals that our brains are incredibly complex and active. They're not underutilized computers waiting for us to hit the right command. They're dynamic, always-on networks that we're continually learning how to navigate and optimize. So it's not about unlocking unused parts of the brain, it's about maximizing what we already use. Did you know that although penguins appear to have fingers, they actually use flippers made of bones? That's right. Penguins are fascinating creatures, and their flippers are one of the most intriguing parts of their anatomy. These flippers, which may look like fingers at first glance, are actually elongated, flattened forelimbs. They're specifically designed for life in the water, acting like paddles to propel penguins swiftly through their icy habitats. But that's not all. Penguins' flippers also play a crucial role in controlling their movement. They use them for balance as they waddle on land and for steering and changing direction when they're swimming. This is an excellent example of how nature, through the process of evolution, has tailored these birds perfectly for their environment. So, next time you look at a penguin, remember, they're not waving at you with fingers. Instead, they're showcasing their incredible adaptation to a life spent mostly in the water. We've journeyed through the animal kingdom, prehistoric times, space, and the human brain. Let's recap. We've discovered that rabbits have a two-step digestive system, consuming their food twice to extract maximum nutrition. Fish, on the other hand, have special openings called nares, enabling them to smell food underwater. We delved into the world of insects, learning about the outstanding teamwork skills of ants and the intricate communication system of bees using waggle dances to relay information. We've also learned about the long-term memory of elephants and the unique sleep habits of certain worms, capable of sleeping for decades without harm. We journeyed back to prehistoric times, realizing that dinosaurs graced our Earth far longer than humans have. In space, we found out about its distinct smell, a unique mixture of cosmic odors. We debunked the myth that humans only use 10% of their brain capacity. And lastly, we learned that penguins use flippers instead of fingers. Science is a constant journey of discovery, and we've only scratched the surface. Stay curious, keep questioning, and continue exploring.